So here we have another project, corporate recruitment system. It's a web application project. So we'll show the demo in ASP.NET with C# and backend SQL Server. So you learn like how to make this project step by step. So corporate recruitment is a system where the company provided job options in their website. So the people who are interested, they can apply online, and the company will come to know who are all applied, and they can do the interview and they can do the selection process. So meanwhile the user who are applied, they'll get the message whether it's selected or not. So these are the things that are very essential for this particular title. So we'll see that how we can do all these things in this project. So generally this project can have two modules. One is admin module. So in the admin module we can provide options like a job type or job category. Then the job details, what job it is. So other one is the users. So they provide an option to sign up. They can log in. So they'll go to main page. There they can see jobs or view jobs. Then they can apply for the job. Then the applied list, what are the jobs they are applied list. Then there is a view message. So there is a message from the company, they can able to view it. So they can also use send message to send the message. So here now we have user list, who are all sign up, that list, applied list, who are all applied for the post, that is applied list. Then the selection. So when you do the selections, we'll send the message to the user. Then the selection list. So these are the options which you can provide from the admin. So therefore you'll have two modules. One is admin module and the user module. So these are the options you can provide in the admin, and these are the options you can provide in the user. Now I'll show this demo, like how exactly the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and also you can right click on iBlix tutorials and open a new tab. So here you can see we have many project videos. So if you're doing computer science and you need to do a project as per your curriculum and you're looking for a different title, so please browse the videos here. Therefore you'll have a different title, so choose the one you are interested in. Fine. So now we'll come back, we'll open a Visual Studio. So you can see that here is the corporate recruitment system. So these are the files which is required here. So there are two modules, one is admin module and the applicant module. So on the other side we have Server Explorer and you have a connection string here. And based on the connection string it's connected, and these are the tables. So generally we'll keep the connection string in the web.config file. So here you can see CN connection string, data source, all this information. And we also have a separate videos like how to create the connection string, how to make a login page, and many other videos. So browse our videos in our channel and then keep learning. Right. Now what we'll do is we'll run the project. So click here to run. So here it take to main page. So from here you can continue. So admin login. So here are the options. So city names, list, we have some cities already entered. For more you need to enter here. So type and then enter and save. Job categories, you need to enter the categories here. The list will come. Then the qualification list. What are the qualifications when they fill the form? So they can choose the qualification. So FAQ entry and the corresponding answer. Then employee list, who are all the employees presently working in this company, that employee list, that and all we can enter it here. Next is a new job openings. So here you need to enter what is the openings like. So okay. So now openings concern, okay, so we have category called as a software developer. So this is a new opening. So this is software developer. So let's say C#. So you need to give the complete details here, what exactly the job is. I'll just use this much only. So this city name Bangalore, so job is software developer, qualification requires MCA, salary detail, how much salary you'll get. So you'll get 1 lakh rupees of salary, experience at least 2 years of experience. Now save this, so job will be created. Right, now job opening list, so overall applied, that list will come here. Then you can have a candidate list. For this particular job, who are all the candidates? There are no candidates now. So what we can do is we copy the main address. So we'll go to the next tab. So click here, then applicant login. So applicant login from here. So if you don't, first you need to sign up. So then you have to log in here. So you can view the jobs. What are the jobs available in Bangalore? So 2021, here you can see that this is the job. So the details are there here. So you can apply for this post. So then the applicant name, then address, so then the mobile number, mail ID, and year of experience, so 4 years. Then you write experience details. 4 projects done on C#. Right, so you can apply for this. Now you can see the applied list. So what are the applications done? So that applied list. Now from the admin side, now you can see that there is a candidate list for this job. So that list will come here. Now what we can do is we can do the selections. So if there are multiple candidates, the list will come here. Then based on their qualifications, experience, other details and all, so we can do that select. So it's indicative, that's how we can do the selections. Selection list, overall selected, that list. So you can see that A1 is selected, that list is coming. On the other side, you can see view message. So here is a message you are selected for this particular post. So user is also get the message indicating that he is selected. So you can also send back message to the admin. So from here you can write admin, what is the message and what is the details you want, then you can save. And you can go to FAQ list. So here FAQ list, what are the entries already done, so that user can able to view it. So therefore in the admin module, so we can see the list, we can create a job, we can see the list, we can do the selection, then we can see the selection list. As an applicant, you can see the jobs, you can apply for it, you can view the message, you can send the message, and you can see the FAQ list. So these are the options provided for the applicant. So the data whatever is entered will be stored into the table. So here we have the tables. For example, if there is a job table, so if I open this, so you can see that the new entry what done, it is there here. So here are the files. For example, if you take category, so this is the job. Here is the job category, and this is the design. So once you do the design, this code will automatically generate. This is the HTML code, but C# code we have to write. Okay, so this is the C# code. So we have to write. So here is the connection string. Then here is to check whether this record is already present or not. If not, then you have to insert the data. This is to insert data. So we have separate videos for this. Please watch in our channel. So if you go to our channel, if you click videos, you can see a lot of videos are available over here. So please watch them and keep learn, keep improve yourself. And also if you expose more project, how to do all these things, they definitely help you in the interview, so therefore you can answer easily. You also have Viva and interview questions here. So please watch that and keep learn. If anything to say to us, please write it in the comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.